Hello, Nigerians. I just want you to look at the screen. Look at the screen. You know, I have stopped praying for Nigeria because we have prayed enough. I think what will save Nigeria is Nigerians this time. Now, look at this latest story. Senators, reps to share 104.7 billion as XMAS gifts. As XMAS gift. Christmas is just a day, 25th December. Then, 26th, another holiday. Christmas is good, is a ceremony or in remembrance of Christ, a ceremony by Christians. It is welcomed. But then, to waste the country's resource in the name of Christmas. And remember, this is hard times in Nigeria. So look at how much they are going to share. 104 billion naira. Despite the hardship. Okay, look at members of the National Assembly are to share 104.7 billion naira as Christmas gift approved by Senate President Godswill Akpabio and Speaker Tajuddin Abbas. As you can see on the screen, these are the people. That is Senate President Akpabio. The other one is Speaker Tajuddin Abbas. The fund was padded up into the 2023 supplementary budget, according to this report by Jackson Ode. It said recently approved and signed, while each of the 109 senators will cash out 300 million naira. The 360 House of Reps members will smile home with 200 million naira each. When the 104.7 billion was to be inserted into the supplementary budget, the Senate President warned the lawmakers to ensure it is not leaked to the media. Now you see what is going on. We are finished. We are finished. And like I said, it is no longer time to pray. The problem of this country are caused by humans. And only humans can resolve it. God has done his best for this country. So much prayers have been offered. It is we humans that will save this country. By the way, by ourselves. Look at what is happening. We were complaining about the other day when after a Senate session, the Senate President mistakenly, he never knew the mic was on. He talked about a particular amount that was token. Okay, he called it token. And the moment he was informed that the news was on air, he quickly retrieved it back. But we know certain things, certain amount, and certainly huge amounts passed into or were transferred into the senators' accounts. These guys have no feeling at all. Despite the suffering in Nigeria, the hardship the common people are facing, look at what they are taking home for Christmas. Can you imagine? We are finished. And I am no longer praying for this country. No, I don't pray anymore. Because prayers cannot save this country. It is action that will save this country. Action against the wicked people. Telling them, no, we reject this massive and reckless spending. It is wicked. They are not taking our feelings into consideration. This new Senate, just a few weeks ago, each member of the Senate and House of Reps received SUVs, each not less than 130 million naira. And certainly their wardrobe allowance and other allowances are even separate. They received certain amount of money because this is a new Senate. These guys does not have us in mind. And the essence of this video is for Nigerians to take note again that another has happened, and this will not be the least. And are we going to keep watching and as if nothing is happening? Please take note, Nigerians. This video is going to be short, and I'm rounding up here.